Hello farmers, as we continue to celebrate the 85-year achievement of the African Seed Company, we are spreading this gospel across Africa as we have a footprint in over 21 African countries. With that said, today I want to talk specifically about the importance of understanding the G by E, which is the genetics by environment and its effects on the plant populations. So here we are standing in a field in Botswana, Machana village in the southern region of Botswana, where we are seeing that they planted using the skipping row technology, or rather wider spacing, to achieve a lower plant population. Why? Because of the nature of the region where they are establishing their crop, which is in zone 2, where they get a rainfall of a maximum of around 350 millimeters. So with that said, they then reduced the plant population by having an inter-row spacing of about 1.8, which is from one row to the next, and an in-row spacing of about 30 centimeters, giving them a population of around 18,000. But they can also plant at an in-row spacing of about 25 centimeters, achieving a population of about 22,000 plants. So the reduction in population doesn't then necessarily mean that they won't get the yields that they want to get, because they then get the sizable cobs that we are seeing here. The cobs are coming out and they are consistently even, depending on the variety that they will select. So the variety we are seeing here is a yellow maize variety, but for such regions we also encourage our farmers to establish early, very early or ultra early maturing varieties, as they also reduce and mitigate the effects of dry land farming. To top it off, we are seeing that this crop was established in very sandy soils. As you can see, the soils are very sandy with a very high silt content. So it's very, very important for you to know and understand that the nutrition management you're going to employ should be guided by this as well. So soil analysis continues to be a topical issue, and we continue to hammer on it so that our farmers get and understand its importance, because in such soils, they are most likely to be on the acidic side. And to top it off, in terms of macronutrients, phosphorus is already deficient in such soils, and the other trace elements that include your zinc and other critical trace elements are also on the lower side. So it's very, very important for you to get the nutrition right. Where you can, come in with supplementary organic matter so that you are building on the structure and also on the organic matter content of the soil, which then enables your crop to grow effectively. And the nurturing of the soil then means that future generations can continue to use those soils adequately and effectively. Because as we celebrate 85 years, our gist or our mantra is to keep growing. So we can only keep growing if we take care of our environment and we give back to the soil that we expect to give us some results in our production levels.